Huh?
I don't think he wants to come out.
No! Stop! Bad! There. Nope, no way. I don't want to hold this piece of mud.
Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, little buddy.
Oh, you vicious.
Come on. Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh, here he goes in the house.
Here comes. Be scared. Get it!
I had it, but he didn't. Real hard. Don't let go. Don't let go.
Not letting go either.
Hurry up! I get it, my
Well, please keep it.
Okay.
Don't, Jillian. Bye.
Mommy with her feet up.
No,
No, take it outside.
Hold it, right. Yum yum. I'm a stupid boy.
Take it out in the backyard. No, Jay was going to hold it. Let Jay hold it by his tail.
No.
No? So hold it.
Fine, I'll try holding it.
No, he can hold it. Let's get outside and hold it though, okay?
When I get outside, I get to hold it. When we get outside, I get to hold it. By the tail.
Just grab it by his tail. There you go. Hold it tight, honey. Hold it tight. No, right here, right here. Real tight, real hard. There you go.
I get the dollar. Get Toby out there! There's a bee coming. Let me get the other one.
Okay.
No.
Okay, go ahead and put him on the fence.
Throw him over the fence.
No, don't throw him on the fence. Over the. There you go. Okay, there. He's fine now. Let him go.
Grandpa, do you want me to dollar?
Okay, just let him go.
I don't think.
Huh?
I think we need to put him in the grass.
Oh, he'll take off.
Man, he got the big finger there.
Yeah, he's got big fingers, doesn't he? Now let him go.
I'm trying to make
He'll
him
go.
That's one big finger.